Hello, I'm María Florencia Roca Gonzalez, a qualified technician in vegetable organic production, graduate with honors from the University of Buenos Aires, and the founder of Crop School Channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how plastic sleeves work in irrigation system. Let's get started. In this irrigation system, 200 liters metal drums are often used. These drums have sections of pipe well onto them. These drums serve two important functions. One, the drums ensure more uniform water flow and prevent excessive pressure from damaging the irrigation system. Two, the drums act as diverters, allowing water to be redirected in different directions as needed. This is crucial for directing the flow of water to where it is more needed in the field. If you learned something new, please subscribe and share the video. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye.